I love you. And I love you. I love you. I love you. By God, I love you all. Like, sincerely. Woo! Okay. Everybody here has been absolutely phenomenal tonight, first and foremost. My insides are like spaghetti. When I'm like this, I like to allow myself to just open up my heart, essentially kind of freestyle. When beginning, that means I don't know what it is. It's not necessarily a performance so much as a sharing, but it's sincere and authentic. And as we're doing mental health, I think it's appropriate. Yeah, so let's see how it goes. Bismillah. Okay, I'm ready. Bismillah. I never know what to say. I never know how to speak. But I am grateful even when I sleep. And I have felt some sorrow deep inside of me. And I have clutched for a tomorrow that my spirit has never seen. So I am grateful for the here and now. So I'm grateful. My spirit, it reaches the clouds. See, I am free to live the life that I speak. And I am free to live the life that I dream. So despite all the hardships, despite all the woes, despite all my sorrows, I know I will grow day by day, on day by day, day by day, that's what I'll say. For I have felt the sorrow deep under my skin, and I have felt the worries, but now is where I begin. Free from sin, it descends like ooh. Hey, God is good, you know. My goody gosh graciousness. That's always a reflection of the energy that's present. That's always a reflection of people that listen with their hearts and allow things to sit in space and like inner space. So thank you all for just making that moment happen. Even with the silence and letting it come back. I just thank you. Oh, goodness. All right. So the topic of today is essentially mental health and also sound school. Art as medicine. I have a short amount of time. There's so much I want to share, but to honor everyone else to come, I'm going to speed through it. I've had my ups and downs. I've had my issues with mental health. Music, sound, the ability to express myself authentically was that medicine. We all are, and the weirdness and the problems come from not being able to share that. So blessings for the spaces that make that happen, and God bless Sound School, and God bless Mind Over Matter. All right. So. Oh, don't get me started. It's coming. I'm going to do a quick piece called Waterfall or Mind Over Matter. Yes. Which one? One or two? Okay, all right, someone. I love you. All right, cool. Waterfall quickly, yeah? Bismillah, bismillah, bismillah. Goes like this. Bismillah. Drifting along the current to the waterfall. Drifting along the current. Waterfall today. Waterfalls today. The current carries me today. And the pain just fades away. No more sadness, for I am being cleansed. No more animosity. Finally the chaos makes sense. See, wings clipped, I'd always fall. Forgotten how to fly. Even the altitude would now chill me and numb me to the core. But I'm just drifting along the current to the waterfall. Drifting along the current. Drifting along the current till the water falls. Drifting along the current. Whoa, waterfall. Cleanse my soul as I free fall. Let the rebirth take mode. Let the waterfall cleanse my soul as I free fall. Let the rebirth take mode. See, look to my eyes and see my soul. 1,000 roots just trying to grow from the seed that has been sown. Yet you refuse to try to know. Just look to my mind and see my dreams. Storms of nostalgia haunt these seas, plaguing the man that I should be. Tell me, will I ever be free? See, all of these past inhibitions, they're festering inside. I need to come to terms with my faults and mistakes. I'm no longer trying to hide. But I'm just drifting along the current to the waterfall. Drifting along the current. Drifting along the current till the water falls. Drifting along the current. Whoa, waterfall. Cleanse my soul as I free fall. Let the rebirth take mode. Just let the waterfall cleanse my soul as I free fall. Let the rebirth take mode. See, I just want to love. Free fall into it all. 'Cause I know that there's love. Time to answer its call. And I will be the candle in the dark, the lighthouse upon the sea. Time to take a leap off the edge, heart first into infinity. Waterfall, cleanse my soul as I free fall. Let the rebirth take mode. Thank you. Hey, listen, you're not going to turn me into a marshmallow. Lift me. The love is so much. Wow, oh my God. Okay, I know I have I think I've got time for one more piece. That's the shame. Okay. Got time for one more piece, yeah. But that's not this one. Okay, so, all right, the final piece, I love you all. The final piece I'm going to do is, I think it's called Mind Over Matter. I haven't really performed this generally. I don't perform it often. But it's got a little bit of flavor, and the whole thing is to do with water, essentially. Because someone said, God, is there a God? I was like, there's water. There's definitely water. And then I find it interesting whenever we talk about divine or something like divine archetype, water always has a big place to play. Like a lot of 80% of us, if not more so, is water. The planet, water. What flows through us when we cry, water. There's something in the process of purification, and water plays a part in it. So that's divine to me. Yeah, so this one is about, God knows. Who knows? Bismillah. It goes like this. Mind over matter, I don't mind, so it don't matter. I don't give a damn, yeah, what they'll say to me. For I reside in greener pastures, occupied by contentment and laughter. And if you choose love instead of fear, then come with me. Hey, travel on, to the river that is flowing, the river that is flowing night and day. Travel on, far away from Babylon. The river will be with you all the way. The river will be with you all the way. Oh, seeing one, don't forsake your sight, for even in the darkness there is light. Just don't be afraid to see that we're all simple souls. Yeah, I've been alone on my own, wandering around far from home. But now I know contentment lies within my soul. So travel on, to the river that is flowing. The river that is flowing night and day. Travel on, far away from Babylon. You see, the river will be with you all the way. The river will be with you all the way. In the kingdom of heaven is my end and my beginning, and the path that I must follow night and day. So I shall not be afraid anymore. The wounds upon my back are no longer sore. So no longer shall I be enslaved by what they'll say. So travel on, to the river that is flowing. The river that is flowing night and day. Hey! Travel on, far away from Babylon. The river will be with you all the way. The river will be with you all the way. Oh, the river will be with you all the way. Yeah. Listen, like, I got so much feelings to share with all of you. So much. God knows I love you. Life knows I love you.